Hi there and good morning and welcome to this pipsmatter market analysis. We're going to go over everything you need to know before you start trading today. So, first things first, there are two and only two important market announcements coming out today. The first one is the preliminary market PMI services from the USA, which is due for September. Now, the index has been right about the weak GDP growth that has been coming out over the past 3 quarters from the US. So another weak print will be a very strong indicator that the GDP growth for quarter 3 in the USA may be disappointing as well. Now, the services sector is supposed to be the main growth driver. So this is very important to note. And if the figures come out weak, closer to the GDP announcement, will tell you will probably be very correct on what's going to happen. The second announcement that's coming out that is of importance is the end free money supply from the Eurozone. This is a growth data indicator. Now, money supply growth has averaged 4.9 in the last 3 months up to August, and we actually expect the figures to persist and continue providing good indications. Now, I'm going to go over quickly a couple of trades here for today. Before we provide you basically all the trades in the trading chamber today. The first trade is a triple bottom on the GBP USD. It is a very strong triple bottom, and it seems like price will continue heading higher. The second one is a double top with Euro GBP. We did say that we expect strength from the GBP sometime around Wednesday. Now, that could happen either today or Wednesday, but we do expect strength. USD CAD, there is a nice trend line there, and we are actually selling the pair. We are also selling gold and all other safe haven currencies such as the JPY after yesterday's basically presidency debate from the USA. I'll go over the charts pretty soon, but let me just go and continue this. Now, as expected, the debate between the US presidential candidates Donald Trump and Hillary Clinton has set the tone for the currency markets overnight. Now, the market's reaction may provide a very good clue to the future FX developments as the campaign enters its final stretch. Basically, this was the first of 3 debates, and it seems like Hillary Clinton won the first debate, as Asian currencies generally traded much stronger, with the Japanese yen weakened significantly versus the USD as the demand for safe haven currencies declined. Now, the most pronounced reaction was in the number one US election proxy, the Mexican peso. It strengthened by 1.7% after the debate, because everybody seems like the market seemed to see that Hillary Clinton will be winning this election. Now, the recent underperformance of the Mexican peso means that it is now among the most undervalued emerging currencies in the world, which together with a very stretched short position in the market. Now, we do see a Mexican peso weakening later on, as we do believe that Donald Trump will come closer or perhaps win the next debate. More on this later on. Tomorrow is going to be real big, guys. Tomorrow is going to be action-packed. There's a lot of things coming out of the markets tomorrow. I mean, I'm not even going to go over half of the things because it's going to be a big day. So you got to be ready for it. So here's the chart. Let's go first to GBP USD. We called this yesterday, even in our forums. If you have a pipsmatter account, you can actually go inside our forums and see all the information that we provide there. There's lots of things coming. The forums are going to keep growing, and more threads are going to be popping out there. We believe that price will head higher and continue to head higher tomorrow or Thursday. Euro GBP, we see it heading lower. This is actually a trend channel now and not a possible head and shoulders formation, but we do see price heading lower. There is a strong double top over here. There's a possible shooting star here, and strong trend line, so we could see price head lower. I did say USD JPY is weakening. well, basically the dollar is getting strength, the yen is weakening. This is only normal. Price will head a bit higher to the 102 area, maybe just close to it, before heading significantly downward throughout this week. USD CAD, nice trend line here. We already began selling this pair. We also notified as many people as we could. Price will go down to the 131 area, or perhaps to the white moving average. Gold's weakening. We did call a sell on gold. Here's the dot, and we do believe that price will head lower before heading significantly higher. That's all from us today. There's everything we can give you for now. If you have the time, then we'll see you at the trading chamber, which starts in about 25 minutes. Happy trading to you all, and we wish you all the best today.